Okay, guys and girls, for this card trick I'm going to use the 2 jacks and regular bicycle playing card deck. Okay, what I need you to do is pick a card, the 4 of hearts. Okay, we cut the cards, put your 4 of hearts into the middle of the deck, and we're going to cut the cards like this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just do like this. Okay, now we have the jack of spades on top and the jack of clubs on the bottom, and they're going to help me find your card. So what I'll do is I'll toss the cards from this hand to this hand, and they'll hopefully find your card. They did. Alright, the tutorial for this card trick, I just used the 2 black jacks. You can use any 2 cards you want. You make them pick a card, can be any card at all. You get close. What I do is just I put it on this pack, and then I maintain a pinky break like this, and then I table cut it, so I put like half of the pack above the pinky break, then I put the rest to my break, and then I put this on top and this on top. Just anything to get the yellow clubs on the bottom of the deck. Then I put 1 jack on top, a 2nd jack on the bottom, but I put them a little bit further out than the other cards, so I can hold on the bottom cards when it's their card. So when I toss it, I just hold very firmly on that, and oops, it hopefully just need a little practice, and then you'll amaze people with it.